In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step strategies to help you decide how you can come out from that low count view. Remember, it's Hazel from the Creators Guide. We help you grow an audience and scale your revenue online. So example, if you ever look for per video to grow your views, you understand there's a whole lot of different options out there. And this is what I did. I spent a ton of time trying and testing all the top options. And then in this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 decide which one is the best for you. If you are finding value in this video, give it a thumbs up. It really makes a huge difference. Make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm also going to share with you my top strategies, tips to help you grow your channel. Are you start getting the same low view count on your YouTube videos, watching other creators blow up whilst your content gets ignored? What if I tell you there is a brand new strategy that helps make money mad and it's over 600,000 views in a single video in just 1 month? It only requires doing only one technique to get those results I'm about to review. Those techniques, which is also a strategy that not only brought 600k views or make money mad, but also additionally generated over 300k views for another video automatically. And here is the crazy: you can repeat this process over and over again. By the end of this video, you will have the complete step-by-step guide to tap into the YouTube suggesting video algorithm and potentially get millions of views. But first, let me show you exactly why this works when everything else fails. Here is what most creators don't understand. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Most successful channels don't get their views from search, they get them from suggest. That is actually below every video on mobile or right on desktop. If you get not your videos to appear in those suggesting feeds, your content has potentially and absolutely explode. But here's the problem: everyone is fighting for the same spot using the same tight strategy that stopped working years ago. That is where the consecutive technique comes in. This isn't about gaming the algorithm or using click-through rates. This is about understanding how YouTube actually prioritizes content and using that as the only strategic way. See, YouTube cares about all our session times, not just how long people watch your video, but how long they stay on YouTube after watching your content. And that is exactly what this technique utilizes. Step 1: finding a popular video in your niche. This is exactly how to do it. Go to YouTube and search your channel's main topic, then sort by highest views uploaded half month. This shows you what is working right now and not what worked years ago. For example, when I search make money on YouTube, I found a video with over 7 million views, and that became my tag. Why does this work? Because it can get into the suggested feed over an already popular video. Tons of viewers will click over to watch. Now here's step number 2: create 2 better videos. This is where most people mess up. It can't be random videos. It must hit 3 specific criteria. Number 1, first criteria that the videos must hit is your video needed to be related to the popular video you found on YouTube. Secondly, it needed to be longer than that popular video. Now thirdly, it needed to be better to keep people watching long. Here's how I made mine. I used fast cuts throughout, open and close constantly, and made sure each video was at least 10 minutes long. It is must watch possible. But here's the secret: that's the second video needs to go viral, deeper to a specific aspect of the first video. It should feel like a natural continuation that your audience needs desperately wants to see. Now here's step 3: is linking your videos the right way. This is where the magic happens. You need to connect your videos in 4 specific ways. Now first, use end screens in the last 20 seconds of your first video to link to the second video. Now second, put a link to the second video to the first video in those video description. Now third, pin comments of second video in first video. Now fourth, add cards in the first video that links to the second video. This is what I call content creational guides. Remember, here is the creators guide that guides videos from 1 views and below to the next simultaneously. People spend watching your videos, but session time is how long people stay on YouTube after watching. When your first video gets fully, what does YouTube do? It starts putting both of your view on it. Now here's step number 4. Here's the game changer. If you made it up this fast, so and listen to this step number 4. It's the optimizing of metadata strategically. Your video titles, description and tags should be similar to each other and similar to that popular video you are talking about. But here is the part nobody is actually talking about. You need to actually see your target keyword to your videos. YouTube auto captions understand about 90% of what you are saying when you actually mention your target keyword throughout your content. It helps YouTube understand exactly what your video is about. Now here's step 5. Make sure people click on your video. Open an incognito browser app and go to that popular video you are targeting. Look at the suggested feed from your thumbnails. At this suggested feed, your thumbnails need to stand out from what is already there. I noticed none of the suggested videos use money images, so I hope and add it to my thumbnail. I also make sure my texts are bigger and bolder enough. In the competition, the results a click-through rate that destroys the competition. This strategy doesn't work for once. I have used it. In fact, Make Money Math has used it across multiple channels. Understands the channel's trajectory. Now that you have this strategy, you need to make sure you are actually making money all these views you're about to get. That is exactly what I cover in my next video on how I monetize YouTube channel without ever showing my face. Feel free to check this video out here on how I monetize my YouTube channel. And if you find value in this content, make sure you click on the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Peace. Shalom.